Hello, this is Linear Equations and Functions, Quick Graphs of Linear Functions, Example 2. And here we have a story problem, and they're describe you buying a computer for $1,100, and you make a $250 deposit, and you're putting it on layaway. So the original amount that you owe would be 1100 take away 250, and that's 850. And you can see how it fits into the equation. B, what is your weekly payment? Well, if I rewrite that equation in slope-intercept form, the slope is negative 50. Well, that's going to be your payment. Your payment is $50 because the slope is going to be negative 50. This is going to go down by $50 every week. And it says graph the model. Now, when you have the equation like this, it's pretty obvious which is the x or which corresponds to the x and which corresponds to the y. This corresponds to the y and this corresponds to the x. If you can't figure it out, you have to, I suggest you look at the units and figure out, are you talking about weeks per dollars, or you're talking about dollars per week? See, on weeks per dollar, that doesn't make any sense, but dollars per week, that does make sense. It's the amount you owe is going to go down by an amount of dollars each week. And that means the dollars is at the numerator, it's the change in y. So when we graph this, the dollars goes on the x-axis and the weeks go in the y-axis. This is just quadrant 1 of the graph because we're dealing all with positive numbers. And according to the equation, it's a equals minus 50t plus 850, so the y-intercept is 850, and the slope is negative 50, so it goes down 50 each week, or it goes down 100 every 2 weeks. So it goes down 100 every 2 weeks, and each one of these lines is 2 weeks, so I went from 850 to 750 to 650 and so forth. And now we can see where the line is going to be. And you pay this off in a little bit more than 16 weeks.